So, this prank war has started, and if you saw my brother's account, he pranked me like a retard, and I'm gonna prank him back right now. See you guys in 1 second. Guys, it's pretty late right now. It's pretty late, and I'm gonna try to figure out a prank right here. Let's see what we got. Cat food. Nah. Whipped cream prank, but with strawberry stuff. 2.0. See if we have any plates right here. We have 4 left, I think. No, 5 left. Let's get this prank started. Look at this, guys. 1 second. Guys, here we go. Oh, crap. Oh, I didn't know it was this nasty. Oh. God. You know what? I still feel bad. Even that he pranked me. If you guys can smell this right now, it really smells like baby food. Freaking, oh my gosh. Here we go. Freaking guys. Let's be quiet here. Oh my gosh. He's like asleep. Sit down. Sit down for real. Jesus, stop. Sit down. Get off. Lay down, lay down. This is a video. It's prank wars, brother. It's on the ground, guys. I cut the screen. Oh. I just laughed so hard.
What even is this?
I laughed so hard I farted. Guys, oh crap, I need to wipe this up. Oh, frick. For real, guys. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys in a second. Guys, I'm shaking. See how red my face is? I'm scared, dude. Looking the side of the screen. Shut up, stop moving. Look, guys.
Oh, crap!
Guys. Alright, guys. Same video. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give a thumbs up, like the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.